Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2 Exercise 12.2 Question number 6. Construct the truth table for the following statement. Negation P, conjunction, negation Q. First, we'll fill the table like as follows. P, Q, statement P, statement Q, negation of P, negation of Q, negation of P, conjunction, negation of Q. Let us fill true, true, false, false. Here for Q, you can write true, false, true, false. Now negate P, that is right opposite of this one, that is true become false, false, true, true. Then negation of Q, right opposite of this one, false, true, false, false, true, false, true. Then here we have to find conjunction of both here, false and false, false, false and true, false, true and false, false, true and true, true. Next here that we can write here this one, negation of P, conjunction, negation of Q. The second question is negation of P intersection, negation of Q. Negation of P, conjunction, negation of Q. Now let us fill regarding that here. It's P, Q, negation of Q, negation of Q, P, conjunction, negation of Q, Q, P, conjunction, negation Q. Here we will write for P is true, true, false, false. Here we can write for true, false, true, false. Negate Q is opposite of this one, you have to write. That means false, true, false, true. Then conjunction of this both true and false is false, false and true also false, true and false also false, true and here to find P, this one true and false is false, true and true is true here, true, false and false is false, false and true is false. Next here negate this complete, that is because minus is out, this negate now true, false, true, true. Here for false true, true is false, false is true, false is true. Now next question, question number 3. P disconjunction P disconjunction of Q, disconjunction of negate Q. Let us write first P, truth table of P, disconjunction of Q, disconjunction of negative Q. Here these are the truth tables. We can write here. Truth table. Here let us fill the things P, Q, PQ, then we need P disconjunction Q, negate Q, and P disconjunction Q and disconjunction negative Q. Now let us fill the table like here. True, true, false, false. Here we can fill for true, false, true, false. First here disconjunction of P and Q. Disconjunction of P and Q is true disconjunction. True is true. True false is true. False true is also true. False and false, false. Negate Q, this we have to write the opposite of this column here. This is false, true, false, true. Then we have to find this and this of disconjunction. True false is true. True true is true. True false is true. False true is true. Next here truth table of, we have to find the truth table of negate P tends to R, then conjunction P and Q. Truth table of negate P tends to R, conjunction P Q. Now let us fill the table regarding this necessary things. P Q R. Next is we need negate P and negate P tends to R. Next P Q, then here negate P tends to R, conjunction P Q. Now we'll fill for here. We need 4 truths here. True, 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 true. Like false, 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 false. Because it is 3 simple sentences are, therefore 2 cube is 8. So 8 rows are there. Here we can put true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Here for or is we can write true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Now first we have to negate P, we have to find. Negate P means we have to negate this column here, that is false, 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 true, 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 true. Here negate P implies negate P and then negate P and then or, which gives here negate P if false, then if false then T is true. Here also true, false, 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 and true, false. Then next is P if and only if. P if and only if and only if. Here this P and Q, we have to consider P and Q true and true, true. Here also true and true, true, true and false is false. Here also false, false and true, false, false and true, false, false and false, true, false and false. False and false is true, false and false is true. Now here next, here negate P tends or conjunction P if then Q. Here for this you have to conjunct this one conjunction, you have to find the conjunction of this one and these two things. You have to write the conjunctions of true and true, true, true and true, true, false, false, here false is coming. false is here also false, here also false, here true, this false. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.